Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some amazing technology that could literally save your life. From gadgets that protect you in emergencies to devices that keep you healthy, we're counting down 10 incredible inventions that are designed to keep you safe. Let's get started. Segment 1, the LIF Straw. First up, we have the LIF Straw, an essential tool for anyone who spends time outdoors. This small, portable water filter allows you to drink directly from lakes, rivers, or streams by filtering out 99.9% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. Whether you're hiking, camping, or facing a natural disaster, the LIF Straw could be your key to staying hydrated and safe. This little device can turn even the dirtiest water into something drinkable, a true lifesaver. Segment 2, the HEV Vest. Next on our list is the HEV Vest, an innovative device designed to help people perform the Heimlich maneuver on themselves or others in case of choking. The vest provides precise pressure to dislodge an obstruction from the airway, potentially saving someone's life when every second counts. It's an invention that could turn a life-threatening situation into a story of survival. Segment 3, the Flur 1 Thermal Imaging Camera. At number 3, we have the Flur 1 Thermal Imaging Camera. This device attaches to your smartphone and allows you to see heat signatures, which can be invaluable in search and rescue missions, home safety, or even detecting fires before they spread. It's like having superhuman vision. From finding people in the dark to spotting hazards, this gadget brings a new level of safety and awareness. Segment 4, the RescueMe Keychain. Fourth on our list is the RescueMe Keychain, a compact emergency tool that could save your life in a car accident. This keychain features a spring-loaded glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter, allowing you to escape from a vehicle quickly if you're trapped. It's small enough to carry with you everywhere, making it a must-have for drivers. When seconds matter, this little tool can make all the difference. Segment 5, the Surviving Air Respirator. Next up is the Surviving Air Respirator, a portable and lightweight respirator designed for emergencies like fires, chemical spills, or smoke inhalation. This device provides you with clean air for up to 60 minutes, giving you crucial time to escape dangerous environments. In situations where every breath counts, having a surviving air respirator could save your life. Segment 6, the Defibrillator Drone. At number 6, we have the Defibrillator Drone, an incredible innovation in emergency medical care. This drone is designed to deliver an automated external defibrillator, AED, to a person experiencing cardiac arrest, often arriving faster than an ambulance. It also provides instructions to bystanders on how to use the device, potentially saving lives in those critical first minutes. When time is of the essence, this drone could be the difference between life and death. Segment 7, the Emergency Phone Charger, Hand Crank Charger. Coming in at number 7 is the Emergency Phone Charger, also known as the Hand Crank Charger. In situations where you don't have access to electricity, this charger allows you to generate power manually to charge your phone or other small devices. It's perfect for emergencies, power outages, or outdoor adventures. Staying connected can be crucial in an emergency, and this little device ensures that you're never out of touch. Segment 8, the Shark Repellent Band. Next on our list is the Shark Repellent Band, a wearable device that uses electromagnetic waves to deter sharks. Whether you're swimming, surfing, or diving, This band could provide you with an extra layer of protection in the water, reducing the risk of a shark encounter. It's a small investment for a big peace of mind when you're in the ocean. Segment 9. The Garmin EnReach Mini. At number 9, we have the Garmin EnReach Mini, a compact satellite communicator that allows you to send and receive messages, track your location, and trigger an SOS to emergency responders, all without needing cell service. This device is a must-have for adventurers who venture into remote areas. No matter where you are in the world, this device ensures that help is just a message away. Segment 10. The Pocket CPR Tool. Finally, at number 10, we have the Pocket CPR Tool, a portable device that guides you through performing CPR. It provides real-time feedback on your chest compressions, helping ensure you're delivering the correct pressure and rhythm. In an emergency, this tool could help you save someone's life by giving effective CPR. When it comes to CPR, having the right guidance can make all the difference, and this tool delivers exactly that. And there you have it, 10 incredible inventions that could save your life. Which one do you think is the most important to have? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.